Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, special events, and fun. We really like when our clients share details of their trip with us by way of video and photographs. And our summer was very exciting as MSC Seaside embarked on our Emancipendence sailing, and boy, did our clients have fun. I know you can't wait to join us for Emancipendence 2019, as well as our other special offers that extend throughout the upcoming year. We've got the Love and Harmony Cruise. You need to get on board with that. We've also got for you the Dream Weekend Cruise. It's their 10th anniversary and they're celebrating in fine style on Navigator of the Seas. And there's so much more happening as Alaska is now in full view, August 2019. But let's take a look at what some of our special clients enjoyed aboard MSC Seaside, as well as their adventures as they docked and embarked on discovery in each port of call. Enjoy.